Well, I got to show you the order of the day. I'm actually helping my friend Priscilla with her dream career workshop. So now I'm going through, it's going to be an all day intensive. Yes, all day. Going through the playlist because she's got all these different segments. That's what I do sometimes. I co host event. I can be a virtual seat filler for you, help bring the energy to your event. Hire me. My rates start at 250 and go up from there. Yes, I charge as much as 2000 to sit in on your meeting, but that's what I'm going to be doing today on this lovely Saturday. It's going to be, I already know it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be good. But there's a lot of stuff that goes into this. I got to make sure I have all the cues and everything. All this behind the scenes shit, y'all just think, oh, it's so easy to put on a workshop. No, it's not. You got to have assistance and you got to really plan it out. We're on a dance break at the at the Dare to Dream retreat. Yes, we're dancing to a little Diana Ross. Yes, I'm coming out. Yeah. Y'all know I like to dance everywhere I go. Yeah. Okay, we made it through night two, overnight two at the Waffle House. It was actually very good. What makes it good is teamwork. That's my CEO chat today. All CEOs, you must have a team. And when you think about this, because I used to have this myth that I could not hire a team, the thing to know about your team is, even if you have to get contract workers temporarily, that's still a team. Treat your team members like luxury. Keep them on board for years and on end. If you treat them right, you let them know the principles of your company, they will be there. And get help. That was something I struggled with for years, was getting help. Now I have when I know I need help, I get help. Like I hired a marketing assistant to help with the recent web series, and I got a film assistant, and when I need help, I get help. So that's the CEO chat for today. Get help. Phenomenal team tonight. It made the night run smoothly. We had fun. We laughed. I sung SWV week because we're playing the jukebox, but it was wonderful. Teamwork. Okay, we're back making our deposit today. Cash in hand. Money comes to me every day in multiple ways. Money comes to me every day in multiple ways. Get with the mantra, my beautiful people. Mr. Millionaire. Money comes to me every day in multiple ways. The next order of business, I got to replace the bulb in my headlight. I got to see if there's an AutoZone or O'Reilly's or something open at this time of morning so that I can replace this light bulb. I've been knowing I needed to replace it for weeks, but I just been procrastinating. Yeah. Okay, it is mastermind day. Connect and create. I actually host an 8-week mastermind for business owners, healers, people looking to accomplish a big goal. Today starts our February edition. It will be 8 weeks, like I said, and it's going to be fun. I'm actually tired because I have not slept since working overnight at the Waffle House. But yes, this is something which motivates me, getting together in groups, brainstorming, and having the ability to assist each other. Yeah. Just getting ready for the Zoom call.